Hey, what's up everyone? I just came on here really quickly because today I'm going on a field trip. I might show you a glimpse of what that looks like. We are going to the River Safari in Singapore. Very excited, all those things. Something I like to do for field trips is make sure my parents know exactly what is going on. How do I do that? This parent field trip survival kit. This is basically just a contact information card. Over here it has basically a number of allergies, school phone number, teacher phone number that you need just in order to get in contact with me. Over here I have just a number of reminders that parents can use to get students to listen. Sometimes it's hard when you're busy and you're out and you're trying to get students' attention. Here's just some cool activities that you can do to kind of get that started. On the other side of that, we also have quick and easy cues to get students back on track. Then over here we have some energizers to pass the time. Wipes. These are very, very important. Don't have to explain why. Hand sanitizer. Again, something we don't have to talk about, but we know why it's extremely important. Pencils. I often get students to do something when they go on field trips, so they often need to write down information. They also need to do some observations. Extra pencils are good because students lose pencils all the time. Post-it notes. You can use Post-it notes for everything. Candy. This is for parents. Parents need this just to simply keep on pace with the students. And that's kind of it. That's basically what I like to add into my kind of field trip survivor guide for parents. I often put in the kind of itinerary for the day. I also add some extra sheets that some extra sheets that the kids will be using on the field trip because often they lose those as well. And that's it. They return them at the end of the day. We usually, fingers crossed, have a very successful field trip. Until next time, I'll see you later. Stay in the gray area. Peace.